Watch the full video to know about Project Raseed.
Okay, so hi everyone. We are Team Excelsior and I am Ishan Dwivedi from Babasaheb Bhimrao Ambedkar University, and I am excited to present our solution for this year Google Agentic AI Hackathon Project Raseed Plus Plus. Project Raseed Plus Plus is an AI-powered receipt and financial assistant designed to tackle a common yet frustrating problem: the hustle of managing physical receipts and the missed opportunities to convert the data into actionable financial insights. Most users today lose out on tracking their expenses, monitoring spending habits, or leveraging purchase data simply because receipts are scattered, unstructured, or forgotten. To solve this, Raseed brings a novel, modular, and agentic architecture that transforms Google Wallet into a smart, personalized financial hub. It starts with Receipt Core, which handles receipt parsing from images, videos, or even live streams, detect return windows, and manage edge cases using Gemini Vision and Vertex AI. Next, we have Insight Engine, which deep into the user's spending pattern, provides predictive alerts, and runs what-if stimulations to help with smarter financial planning. User can engage naturally in their local language through voice UX, which support voice and chat-based queries, whether it's asking, "Do I have enough ingredients to cook dinner?" or "How much did I spend on groceries last month?" For financial goal setting, Budget Tracker provides alerts and helps user to stay on track with personalized targets. All of these signs seamlessly with Google Wallet through Wallet Manager, which not only passes and insights directly into the user wallet, but also incorporates zero knowledge proofs to maintain privacy and security. We have also introduced Collab Hub, which brings collaborative financial features, role based access, and even a kids friendly budgeting view for families. To ensure Raseed gets smarter over time, we have built a feedback learner, a self improving layer that learns from user interaction and adjusts its recommendation accordingly. For deeper financial guidance, Finance Core offers insights on taxes, debt management, currency conversions, and even net worth tracking using external APIs. All receipt warranties and financial documents are securely stored and organized via Docs Manager, which also generates monthly PDF reports for users. And to automate even more, our mail sign agent connects directly to Gmail or Outlook to extract digital receipts with no manual effort. Typing all of these specialized agents together is a meta agent, which dynamically orchestrates agent's behavior based on the user needs, uses pattern, and context, delivering a truly adaptive, intelligent experience. Thank you so much for your attention. Now I would like to pass it on to Arihant Jain, who will take you deeper into Raseed's core design and our website.
Thanks, Ishan. Hi, everyone. I'm Arihant. I'll walk you all through the website. So, this is our website. At Raseed, our goal is simple: to build a smart AI powered assistant that helps people track their expenses with ease, get insights, identify saving opportunities, and do it all seamlessly inside Google Wallet. We want to make personal finance effortless, intelligent, and accessible. No spreadsheets, no stress. Our project is powered by Google AI technologies. We have built Raseed on top of latest and greatest form from Google: Gemini AI for powerful multimodal analysis and natural language understanding, Vertex AI to design and deploy intelligent task-specific AI agents, Wallet API for real-time integration with Google Wallet, pass creation, updates, and management. This tech stack allows Raseed to be both deeply smart and natively integrated with your digital life. Novelty. What makes Raseed different? We are not just another finance tracker. Here's what sets us apart. Multi-agent AI architecture. Instead of one big system doing everything, we use a team of specialized AI agents, each focused on a single task, from reading receipts to giving savings advice. Cross-domain intelligence. Agents talk to each other, receive data inform budget tracking. Emails connect to spending trends, document feed into tax planning. It's all connected. Natural voice integration. No more clunky menus. Just talk. Raseed understands voice queries like set a 5,000 grocery limit for next month. Adaptive learning system. It learns as you go. The more you use it, the smarter it gets. Adapting to your daily habits, improving accuracy, and personalizing insights. Now let's move to our agents. Receipt Core Agent. It reads photos, videos of receipts, extract data. Insight Engine Agent analyzes spending and offers saving suggestions. Voice UX Agent enables voice interaction in your native language. Budget Tracker Agent tracks your spending, alerts you on goals. Wallet Manager Agent connects and syncs multiple digital wallets. Collaboration Hub Agent supports shared budgets with families and friends. Feedback Learner Agent learns from your behavior to get better over time. Finance Core Agent offers tax optimization and investment strategies. Documents Manager Agent stores and organizes your receipts and bills on the go. MailSync Agent scans financial emails for transaction insights. Meta Agent coordinates all other agents efficiently. Let's now move to the modular architecture of a system. A system is built like Lego blocks, modular, powerful, and scalable. Each layer has its own job, like input layer, analytics layer, interaction layer, goal, alerts, synchronization layer, collaboration, learning, finance core, documentations, mails, and finally, meta coordination. Why this matters? Easy to update and scale, agents stay focused and domain specific. Smart info flow between agents. Security is embedded at every level. Agent features like voice UX agent, natural conversations, multi-talent support, and tech stack like Google Speech API, Gemini AI, and Firebase. For the Insight Engine agent, it detects spending patterns, helps optimize your budget, and the tech stack used is TensorFlow, Pandas, and Chargers. For the Security Core agent, end-to-end encryption is implemented with zero knowledge proofs and technologies like WebGS, IPFS, and Firebase security. Guys, meet our team. We are a diverse group of builders passionate about finance, design, and AI. Arihant, Krishna, Ishan, Disha, and Anway. Now I would like to pass it to Disha. Thank you.
Thank you, Haryant. Hello, everybody. This is Disha V. So now let's move on to the app, which is particularly and especially created for this hackathon. Well, Google helps in a lot of things, such as storing your cards, IDs, tickets, and loyalty passes, and also makes tap to pay easy and secure, and also integrates with Android for seamless access. If you look at it in the point of view of middle class people, managing money isn't just about numbers. Trying to save for groceries, rent, school fees, stretching the last 500 rupees until the end of the month, it is different and difficult to keep track of all the bills. For most of them, the receipts are lost, tracking is manual, and there's no way to convert purchase data into meaningful insights. And this is especially crucial for middle class users, which is why Raseed app was created in the first place. This app is built to be modular, React Native based, and modeled on Google Wallet UI standards, which means that it is possible to extend to Google Pay integration, which is also one of the main focuses while building this app. So, this is our main page after logging in. If you see there, you can see the monthly summary where the spent budget and remaining amount is shown. So if you click on the scan receipt, yeah, you'll see that you can scan your receipt, and there are particular agents which are used to handle this process. So if you click on that, you'll get all of the receipt details, and you can choose the category and all of that, and the payment method. You will see the name of the store and the date and all. So yeah, you can also choose to add items and all of that. Now, if you move to the manual section, all of these details will be available. And once you write all of your data and see, you can save it. And the next one will be the email section where you can enter your email. So this is particularly used to import your emails to access all of your received emails. It is ensured that it will not take in all of your personal messages and only take on the received emails. So basically, this is handled by the mail sync agent, which looks into that. So next, moving on to the Ask Assistant agent, which is one of the main agents of this app. You can just type in any message, such as a hi, and it will respond to it. And yeah, if you search for goal, it will also show your goal, and it will show the progress of your goal. If you, for example, type in received, if you want to know how many receipts are there, it will show how many receipts you have this month, and it will show how much money you've spent. And if you type groceries, it will show your purchase history, and all of this data will be stored in the memory store, which is a Fire-based database, which will store all of your previous history of transactions and all of it, and give you feedback analysis. So this is particularly uses a feedback learner agent and the voice UX agent and the input agent, which has certain sub agents such as the query agent and the language agents, which helps in to create queries and all of that. So if you move back to the previous slide, yeah, and if you just scroll down, you can see the recent receipts and all of that. Yeah, for every domain, the total money spent is given on the right side, and there is also reminders, which is given by the feedback agents. If you just click on one of these, you can see the receipt details for the particular domain, electronics hub, and the items that you have chosen from that store, and all of it will be given. So basically, return window closing is nothing but it is a reminder given from the return reminder agent that in 3 days you're returning. You can return the item for refund or for exchange, and you can just click on the start return process, and it will show you, and it will direct you to the page where you can directly return the required item. Yeah, if you click on the little notification bar on the top, you will see all the messages. You can also it is also classified to unread, alarmed, and reminders and all of that. If you come into the all section and if you click on any one of them, yeah, you can see it, and you can start to the return process. You can be directed with a single notification also. So if you go back, yeah, there is also a search bar where you can search for receipts and items and all of that. Yeah. So if you go down, you will, see reminders also, where these reminds and budget alerts are also given, which is usually handled by the budget tracker agent, which handles all of the transactions and all of the budget related stuff. And you can also get suggestions and notifications based on saving opportunity as given below. You can see it, which basically gives all of the smart tips. If you move on to the next page, or the next idea, you can see the insights. So basically you can select weekly, monthly, or quarterly or yearly basis, and here, since it is selected like that, you can see the summary for July, the total spent money, transactions, and average per day, and there is spending by category also. And you can see the monthly trend also, where selected month or the present month, which is selected and it is highlighted, and on the top you can see the total amounts which have been spent in this month. uh, there is also spending by category, where you can see the different categories and their total spend expenditures. The smart insights are given once again by the after learning through the feedbacks and all of that. And all of these, it alarms you about unusual transactions or recurring expenses or spending increase. So this is all about the insight agent, and the sub agents used here will be the insight agent, smart alert agent, and what if agents, which basically categorize trends and trigger alerts based on overspending and anomalies, and it also forecasts based on user goals. So if you move to the next, yeah, you can select like that. Yeah, if you move to the next one, yeah, this is basically your wallet part, which is handled by the wallet manager agent. So here you can see the recent receipts, where you can scan all of your receipts. If you come to the passes section, here you can see the yeah, once again the written reminder is available. You can see the monthly summary, the budget, total budget if you're setting it, the total amount you've spent is here, and all of that. You can see the shopping list also, and the individual items are also available in that. And if you scroll downwards, you will also see the goal tracker also. For example, here vacation fund. And if you move to the next section, which is cards, you can add your cards, loyalty cards, membership cards, and all of it to access it easily. If you move to the next section, which is the monthly budget, you can see the monthly budget on a monthly, quarterly, yearly basis. You can add your expenses and adjust your budget. And you can also you can also have a category breakdown, and recent transactions are also available, and the budget tips are also given for basically spending optimization. If you see the category breakdown, uh, you can notice that they are highlighted by different colors. So basically, for the 9,000 rupees in others, you can see that only 2,000 is spent. So it is in the safe section. So it is shown in green color. So if you come for entertainment, almost the entire 3,000 rupees is being used. So it is shown in red, and the others are in yellow for average case. So this is how it basically shows you that. If you move back or to the next section, yeah, this is basically a profile section, where you can personalize your information, security, and you can handle the notifications. There are basically account settings and the preferences, where most importantly the currency and languages are handled. You can also look into your data and privacy, because all of this is safe, and you can set your privacy and all of that. You can also delete your account, and there is also an option for support and help center. You can also sign out, which is available in the down below. Yeah, there is a sign out option. And if you move to the first slide again, if you see there on the top, you can see that scan receipt and the add to wallet and view insights and ask assistant. All of these are handled by certain personal agents, and they have sub agents also, such as for receipt agent, there is a receipt and return reminder agent, case handler agent, which basically handles all the OCR parsing and detects the return windows, and it also helps to fix inconsistencies and all of that. So all of these agents are functioning together, and they have a smooth data flow to them. Either they are having a solid flow, or either they are triggered. They hold on to triggering actions and all of that. So basically, this flow is handled by a very important agent called Meta agent, which handles the smooth flow of all of the agents and sub agents. So basically, starting from scanning the receipts until you get the financial advices, personalized advices. So this is how the entire app is handled. Yeah, so this is all about the app, and I thank everybody for the opportunity. Now I'll hand over to Anway, who will tell you more about the wireframes.
Thank you, Disha. I'm Anway Joshi, third year student of Robotics and AI from CAP Technological University. So as Disha walked you through the live simulation of a wrap, I'll show you the wireflow diagram. So here we begin with welcome and login screen of Raseed. This screen introduces users to AI-powered financial assistant. So here we can see some features, scan receipts, AI insights, wallet integration. Immediately, we offer a multi-language selection screen supporting major Indian languages. This ensures inclusivity and accessibility across diverse regions of India. Once a language is selected, users land on our dashboard, where you can access monthly spending summaries, number of receipts uploaded, AI-generated financial insights, a list of recent receipts for easy tracking, and whatnot. From the dashboard, users can upload receipts via the camera scanner interface, where you capture receipts via photo or video. It, it processes and extracts data for classification and insights. Captured receipts are then stored into the receipt details, where you can see all the details extracted from the receipt. We also have a smart wallet pass interface that gives you personalized lists, written reminders, quick access to Google Wallet. Further, Further, user can sync their Gmail accounts to import digital receipts automatically, all of which appear in emails in screen and updates the reports dashboard with clearly breakdowns and trends. From there, users can navigate to financial goals where you can set and track savings for things like emergency funds or gadgets. From there, user can access shared finances to manage budgets collaborating with your family, and voice assistant, which allows users to ask finance related queries naturally. The real magic happens in our AI suggestions and what if simulator, as Disha showed you, where the agent proactively provides smart recommendations like canceling unused subscriptions, switching to cheaper alternatives, or answering what if questions like how can I save tax or what if I invest 5,000 rupees in SIP. Together, this flows from a complete intelligent multilingual financial ecosystem, personalized and powered by AI. Now, Krishna will give you more insights about Raseed++. Thank you.
Thank you, Anway. Hi, guys. This is Krishna Keshab, and now we are going to go deep into the market research. Every great solution starts with a problem that has been ignored too long. And when it comes to managing everyday finances, receipts, spending, planning, we have all felt the pain. Now, when the word competition comes in mind for us, we can remember Google Pay, Expensify, and Walnut. Apps like Google Pay, Expensify, and Walnut have each solved pieces of the puzzle. But that's exactly the problem, just pieces. Expensify is powerful, but it's built for companies, not for everyday people juggling groceries, online shopping, and return dates. And hence, majority of the population is not satisfied with this. Google Pay helps you pay. That's it. It doesn't remind you to stay within the budget, track returns, or offer personalized tips. And if you speak a language other than English, good luck asking questions. Walnut, it reads your SMS alerts. But what about the real receipts? What if your bill is on paper, in an email, or a screenshot? None of them talk to you, none of them listen to you, and none of them learn from you. And that's where Receipt Plus Plus is different. We don't just read receipts, we understand them. We don't just track spendings, we explain it. We don't just show numbers, we give you advice in your language, by voice, right in your Google Wallet. And more than anything, we treat your money like it's personal because it is. With 11 agentic modules working together in real time, Receipt Plus Plus becomes a smart assistant that grows with you, whether you are a college student, a busy parent, or a company, or a teenager learning to save for the first time. No other app connects your wallets, your goals, your receipts, and your voice into one seamless experience. That's just innovation. That's understanding real life. And we connect with emotions. And that's what makes Receipt Plus Plus not just better. It makes it the only solution that truly fits into the way live, spend, and grow. And that's why we are Receipt Plus Plus. Thank you all. Here we conclude the whole summary of the meeting.